How to fix the sound problem on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. There could be various issues by which you could get the sound problem on Windows 11. The number one solution to it would be opening the control panel. Once that is done, make sure that the view by is selected as large icons. Now you have to tap on the sound option and it will open a new dialog box. Thereby, select the service that you are using for the playback. Right-click on it and go to its properties. Once you select on the properties, you can see the general section. Now again, you can tap on properties to open another tab to check if the driver is correctly working and the device status is correctly working or not. Once that is done, you can go to driver section as well to view the details. Moving back to the previous step, you can now go to the levels that is on the properties section. Check if the level is muted or not. After that, tap on apply. Now go to advanced section and make sure to untick the option of enable audio enhancement. Or you could click on restore default as well. Also make sure to test the default pitch. Now go to special sound and make sure to restore the details. Once that is done, let's move on to the next solution. For that, tap on the search bar and type in troubleshooter settings. Once you tap on it, it will open a new page on the settings. Tap on other troubleshooters and then tap on the sound button or audio button. Thereby, you have the run tab, tap on it and you'll be able to check if any issue is detected and the computer will try to solve it. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.